pupunta ako bahay extra. Diego! Ang health na. 50 health. 50, wait, 50 health? Please chat. Spam W in the chat. Even though there's no chat, just spam W. Come on! Is it a cell tayo? Yes. So, one more. Oh! Ito na 100. Is it one time? Wait lang, isip ko, 100. Minute ko lang in chat. Minute ko lang in. Akin tayo. Tayo lang in. Saya akin tayo chat. What happened? Have you ever seen somebody slur kanina what to be doing? Like nobody. And I just know. I'm too pro. Spam W's in the comments. The entire are not in the iPad. I'm recording with an iPad, but not the PC. But you can, guys, you can video anything. You know how did they find this? How did you found this? How did you find this app? Are you hacking? No. Okay, I say no. Guys, if you don't know, I am in Filipino style, so I'm learning English. From speaking with Tayo and Gab. Yes, Tayo and Gab speak English. And Ezra. I teaching English now, bro. And I watch YouTube. Only the group. I'm gonna cute. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Maganda naman ah. Guys, I'm watching full 10. If you don't hear that, let me just turn off the TV because you guys are hearing that and you can. I'm still a kid. We and I are kids. There's like 10, 9. Ilan taon ka na? 10? 10? There's 10? I'm 8, guys. Ayan. Me and Tayo are unks. You unks. Gab-gab and Tayo. Gab-gab and Ezra is the bunks. Ano siya ulit? Chat. Guys, ito lang. Na timer. Tagal nila mag-pick. Let's pick a weapon. Pick music. Bro, just leave. Thank you. Guys, if you don't know what ilang taon ka na, that's how old I am. I speak, me and I are Filipino. Philippines! You must go. Philippines, we just speak English because there's nobody can speak Philippines. Ezra's not here because it's just... Here ako guys, cut. Oh, speak tayo with the sea. So, me and tayo are...
What? How could I read the code?
I never play, I never play,
Shut!
I never use shotgun in my life, like, no. I never
Gu-
use shotgun.
Guys, Marco.